79 subs. 79 subs of great wildness. Thanks for all the support and love you guys gave me. You guys really made my community bigger and grow stronger. At this point, reaching 150 subs is easy with our community and bond is stronger. It couldn't care less than just a strong and friendship and bonding time of community and love. For those who watched till the end, you guys are awesome and I really love you because you made my community grow and love me and watch me till the end. I really didn't expect to reach 79 and round it up to 80 subs for you guys. It's all you that who made it, and you guys are the one is the OG.